Select your slice of focus with the LENSBABY Edge 80 optic. This unique and versatile 80mm flat-field optic allows you to take traditional straight lens photos and selective focus images with a slice of sharp focus. Edge 80 is ideal for creative portrait, food, and travel photography. Edge 80 has a 12-blade adjustable iris with full aperture stops from f2.8 to f22. When the lens is pointed straight ahead, Edge 80 creates beautiful, crisp images with consistent edge-to-edge focus, just like a standard straight lens. When tilted, Edge 80 creates images with an area of tack-sharp focus that appears as a slice or wedge of focus, falling off into soft organic blur. This allows you to optically shorten or extend focus in ways normally only possible with the swing and tilt mechanisms found on view cameras and tilt-shift lenses. The area of sharpest focus, or depth of field, is determined by both your aperture and the degree of tilt. The degree and direction of tilt will affect the orientation of the area of sharpest focus through space, and rotating the focus ring will fine-tune its placement in the frame. Edge 80 is compatible with the Composer Scout Muse and Control Freak and has a minimum focusing distance of approximately 17 inches. Installing the Edge 80 is quick and easy. First, remove the other optic from your lens body. If you need help removing your optic, please check your LENSBABY user guide or watch the How to Swap Optics instructional video at lensbaby.com. To install your Edge 80, first open your optic to f2.8. Next, as you insert the optic, align the white dot on the optic with the open circle on the lens body. To lock, turn the Edge 80 clockwise until the dot on the optic aligns with the dot on the lens body. To change your aperture, rotate the aperture ring until the desired aperture number aligns with the white line on the optic. Try starting with an aperture of f4 or f5.6 until you have some practice controlling the slice of focus. Edge 80 has an extension tube built into the optic. This allows you to focus on objects at a closer range. When you want to focus closer, simply pull the front of the optic to extend it. When you're first getting started, point your LENSBABY lens body straight ahead. The lens's plane of focus will be parallel to your camera's image sensor, just like a traditional straight lens. Tilt the lens left or right to create a slice on the vertical axis. Tilt up or down for a horizontal slice, and diagonally for a diagonal slice. Use the focus ring to fine-tune the placement of your slice, then readjust the tilt and focus to fine-tune your composition. Remember that a little tilt goes a long way. Tilting with the Edge 80 moves your plane of focus and changes the framing of your image. So tilt first, focus second. Shooters with a full-frame sensor may see some vignetting with extreme tilts. To remove your Edge 80 optic, lock the tension ring and rotate the focus ring to bring the optic to the front. Pull out the front of the optic to gain easier access to the aperture ring. Align the circle on the aperture ring with the dot on the lens body. Grip the aperture ring, push down, and turn counterclockwise until the circle on the aperture ring and the circle on the lens body align. Now the optic is unlocked and ready to be removed. Edge 80 is just one of the many tools that LENSBABY gives you to transform your photography. Explore all the optics in the LENSBABY Optic Swap system for even more options to help you express your creative vision. To learn more, please visit lensbaby.com.